Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Rondelle 55's Old School Music Review podcast. This morning it's Tribute Mondays and I'll feature Mr. Tunde Nightingale, and not to be confused with another artist, Mr. Tunde King. Mr. Tunde Nightingale was born Ernest Olatunde Thomas on the 10th of December 1922, and he died in 1981. He was a Nigerian juju music singer and guitarist. Began his well-received performances during the 1940s and continued his tours into other countries. He recorded over 40 albums and remains a main influence on some artists. For songs you can listen to Napora Poor, Tanifeane, and the original Owambe Sound, Volume 1, Side 2. Really nice piece to listen to. One of those really influential artists. So until next time, hope you have a great day. Remember, God loves you. Jesus is the only way.